Hello and welcome to another video. Today I'll be showing you another web app which I made for a client. The website name is coffeewagera.com. It is made for a client in Pakistan. The website costed them around $1,200. The client's budget was not pretty big, so the design is not pretty good, because obviously the more the budget, the more better the design, the more better features it has. So if I reload the page once again to show you what we did in this project, the basically we designed all the pages. You can see the website. I'll tell you that it has a lot of pages. It has around 10 to 15 pages, right? Also some of the pages links are in the footer as well. So around for 15 pages, the client said that they had a budget of around $1,200 to $1,500. So we designed all the pages and we delivered them, and after once they approved the design, we developed it, right? So if you want us to make any of your sites, you can contact us on the WhatsApp number given in the description. Now I will show you the website. If I reload the page once again, this is the main section of the website, this is the hero section and the contact us. Now basically you might be wondering why is this section over here, but the client asked us that in Pakistan it is like better to add it at the start. So I added it based on client requirements. It was not part of my work. Other than that, you can see if I scroll down, there are 4 videos which appear which appear even at the start, which is not a very good practice. But as I said, the client requested us, so we added it. If I scroll down, this is the about us section, and at the end the blog section as well as a footer section. So the website is basically pretty. You can see it has a lot of pages. If I click on menu, I will show you that the menu, you can see this is the dine-in menu. It is located in Karachi. You can see different like beverages and stuff like that. But they offer, it is also opened in Hyderabad, Lahore, Islamabad. So it's opened in multiple locations all over Pakistan. The client's budget was around $1,500. If you want us to make any of your site, you can check the entire website on coffeewagera.com. It's same spelling, and you can check the website. If you want us to make any of your site, you can contact us on our WhatsApp number. One thing I'd like to mention here is that if you can send advance payment only, then we will be working with you. If you cannot, we won't be working with you, obviously, because we have a lot of projects in queue and that is not feasible for us. So if you like the video and you want to see other amazing projects which we have worked on in the past, then you can subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys in the next video.